Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check for updates for your earbuds, so open TOZO app and then you need to go to the settings at the right top. At the second line we have OTA update. Tap at this line, you check for updates. It said that I have the latest version. If you haven't, right here in this menu you can download and install this new version. Next step is to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the cache and then open it. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check for updates and update if you haven't the latest version. Now, if this method didn't help you, the last one I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to remove the earbuds from the phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And after that we need to firstly turn off them. So at the back side we have touch areas, press and hold on them until you will see the red LED light on both of your earbuds. Here we go. Now release your finger and then press and hold again. And we need to check for the flashing blue LED light. If it starts flashing blue and red, you need to, I recommend it to again add these earbuds to the application, because it means that you enter to pairing mode, then remove it, and after that repeat this process. Now, when it's flashing, you need to press and hold again for at least 3 seconds to turn on your headphones. And after that, we need to wait until this reset finish, and then it will enter to pairing mode, so we can easily reconnect them. Here we go. Now just tap at your earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.